Hi food lovers, welcome back to my channel, Gerald's Kitchen, and today I'll be showing you how I make my Jamaican Ackee seasoned rice. So this is a one-pot meal that's very easy to prepare, and it's loaded with all your vitamin and your carbs as well as your protein. So for this recipe I'll be using 2 cups of jasmine rice. I have my ackee, which I already boiled. I have my seasoning, my powdered seasoning, and my codfish, butter, and my evaporated milk. So let's start cooking. So guys, I'm gonna start by sauteing my herbs. And I'll be using about 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. So next, I'll be adding my pumpkin and my carrots. Guys, this looks amazing. So next we're gonna add the codfish, which I already pre-boiled. So it's really salty, so I boil it just to take some of the salt out. So go ahead and add it. Next, I'll be adding my spices, my pimento seed, black pepper, garlic powder, and all-purpose seasoning. So I'll be adding my coconut milk. And my rice. I prefer to use jasmine rice because it makes it really nice and fluffy, but if you have any other rice, you can use it. So my rice is already washed. So go ahead and add your ackee. So this ackee is already boiled, but if you can't get ackee, like the natural ackee, you can always buy it from the supermarket. So now that we've added the rice, we're gonna add some butter. So now I'll cover it and allow it to steam for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll see you soon. So there you have it, guys. My ackee seasoned rice. It looks good, it smells good. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. Please like and share, and please remember to subscribe and press that notification bell. And I'll see you on the next episode of Gerald's Kitchen. Bye, guys.